Infinity Drain is a leading manufacturer of high-quality, design-driven drainage solutions for showers and wet areas. Known for their sleek linear and center drains, Infinity Drain offers customizable products that combine functionality with modern aesthetics, making them a top choice for luxury residential and commercial projects. Schluter Systems is a trusted name in the tile and stone installation industry, specializing in innovative solutions for waterproofing, edge protection, and underlayment. Their flagship product, the KERDI waterproofing membrane, is widely used for creating durable, moisture-resistant tiled environments in bathrooms and wet rooms. Infinity Drain offers a variety of innovative drainage solutions that integrate seamlessly with Schluter KERDI waterproofing systems. These solutions include linear drains, center drains, and specialized models like the tile insert center drains, TSR and TLSR, as well as the FCS Series linear drains with factory-applied KERDI membranes. This compatibility allows for reliable, code-compliant waterproofing while delivering the modern, clean-line design that Infinity Drain is known for. Schluter KERDI is a bonded waterproofing and vapor retardant membrane designed specifically for tile applications. Applied directly over substrates, it creates a reliable barrier that prevents water ingress in wet areas such as showers and bathrooms. Known for its durability and compatibility with a range of drainage solutions, including Infinity Drain's FCS, center, and tile insert drains, KERDI ensures long-term performance and code-compliant installations. One standout product in this lineup is the FCS Series, a linear drain system equipped with a factory-applied Schluter KERDI membrane. This built-in waterproofing layer provides a direct watertight bond with the rest of the Schluter system, simplifying installation and eliminating the need for additional on-site membrane application. The FCS Series is available in a wide range of lengths, great styles and finishes, making it a go-to option for projects that demand both performance and custom design flexibility. Infinity Drain's traditional center drains, available in classic 4 square and 5 round formats, are fully compatible with Schluter KERDI systems thanks to the universal UCR adapter. These center drains come in stylish finishes and provide an aesthetic alternative for projects that favor central drainage. They maintain the same level of waterproof integrity and design versatility, ensuring functionality without compromising on visual appeal. The TSR round and TLSR square tile insert center drains elevate the clean aesthetic by accepting a tiling cover, allowing the drain to blend seamlessly with the surrounding floor. With factory-applied Schluter KERDI fabric on their flanges, they create a flush, minimalist finish while preserving watertight performance, perfect for luxurious tiled showers or sleek wet room floors. Together, these Schluter-compliant Infinity Drain products empower contractors and designers to meet strict waterproofing standards without sacrificing design intent. Whether you're working on a luxury home spa or a high-performance commercial bathroom, this integration offers a smart, effective solution that merges durability, ease of installation, and architectural elegance. Finally, when Infinity Drain products are used in conjunction with Schluter KERDI systems, installers and homeowners can take advantage of full warranty coverage from both manufacturers. Schluter offers a lifetime warranty when its products are used as part of a complete, properly installed KERDI waterproofing system. Infinity Drain's Schluter-compliant products, such as the FCS Series linear drains with factory-applied KERDI, TSR, TLSR tile insert drains, and center drains with the UCR2 adapter, are designed specifically to integrate without voiding this warranty. By following the recommended installation procedures, users can ensure code-compliant, watertight performance and long-term durability, all while retaining the peace of mind that comes with strong manufacturer support. Infinity Drain and Schluter KERDI offer a powerful combination of form and function, providing reliable waterproofing solutions without compromising on design. With a wide range of compatible products, including linear drains, center drains, and tile insert options, contractors and designers can confidently meet both aesthetic goals and technical requirements. Whether you're creating a luxurious spa-like shower or ensuring performance in a high-traffic wet room, the seamless integration of Infinity Drain with Schluter KERDI ensures durability, efficiency, and long-term peace of mind. Together, they deliver a trusted solution for modern drainage and waterproofing excellence.
Thank you for watching. Please feel free to reach out to Golden Tripod and contact us if you have any questions or concerns. And be sure to follow us on social media for more updates and inspirations for your next renovation project.